Twisted
Lingua.
Lesson 14. Chcieć. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's start. Welcome back. Today's lesson is going to focus on the verb to want, chcieć. And also we will touch a little bit the accusative case for nouns in singular and plural. The verb to want in Polish is chcieć. It belongs to the first conjugation and it changes like this. Ja chcę, ty chcesz, on, ona, ono chce. My chcemy, wy chcecie, oni, one chcą. Like in English, the verb to want can join with an infinitive, which in Polish is bezokolicznik, or a noun. But in Polish, the noun will be an accusative case, which is biernik. Let's first have a look at the verb to want with infinitive. So, chcieć can join with the verb for one of activity. For example, kupić dom. Or can join the verb with prefix po for activity that lasts some time, or you can see results of it. For example, poćwiczyć. And lastly, it will join with the verb with the pronoun and reflective word się. For example, mi się pić. Let's have a look at some sentences. You can say, chcę kupić samochód. I want to buy a car. Or ask, chcesz umyć naczynia? Do you want to wash pots? These two examples show you how to join to want with infinitive. So now let's have a look at some examples for to want plus prefix po and infinitive. Ona chce pogadać. She wants to talk. Chcemy poczytać. We want to read. Chcę pobiegać. I want to run. Chcecie posłuchać muzyki. You want to listen to some music. And lastly, to want with pronoun and reflective word się and infinitive. Let's have a look at this structure. Chce im się jeść. They want something to eat. And actually it means they are hungry. Look at the structure. It doesn't say chcą, they want. It say chce im się. It wants themselves to eat, if you really translate literally. Another one. Chce jej się płakać. She wants to cry. Chcecie się spać? Do you want to sleep? It also means, are you tired? And lastly, chce mi się pić. I want to drink, meaning also I'm thirsty. And finally, the verb chcieć with noun in accusative case. For singular masculine personal nouns. Chcę męża. I want a husband. Singular masculine non-personal nouns. Chcę kota. And as you can see, both gets the end a. Męża, kota. And in this situation we have third category, singular masculine, non-personal and not alive nouns. For example, pen. Chcę długopis. And nothing will change here. Singular feminine nouns will gain the end m. Chcę kanapkę. I want a sandwich. And again, nothing will change for singular neuter nouns. Ona chce nowe mieszkanie. She wants a new flat. And plural nouns. Plural masculine personal nouns will get the end of. Ona chce dobrych pracowników. She wants good workers. And non-personal will get the end y. Chcemy 2 telewizory. We want 2 televisions. Plural feminine nouns will get the end I. Chcecie książki? Do you want books? And lastly, plural neuter nouns will get the end A. On chce 4 krzesła. He wants 4 chairs. And lastly, I want to talk to you about some cases that might be confusing for you, especially when you learn that chcieć goes with accusative, but you will hear from somebody chcesz kawy, which actually should be chcesz kawę. Chcesz kawy uses the different case, which is the second one, genitive. So why people speak like that? Simply they use the shortcut of thought. They want to say chcesz trochę kawy, a little bit of coffee, or chcesz kubek kawy, do you want a mug of coffee? And in that way, coffee refers to the mug or refers to a little bit. Therefore, there is a change of the case. So don't get discouraged. Just practice your cases and practice how to say I want. If you want a full table of the ends for accusative nouns, go to our Facebook page at Twisted Lingua. Great job today, and thank you and see you next week. To learn more with Twisted Lingua, follow us on Facebook and on YouTube.